The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet over 95% of it remains completely unexplored. Beneath those waves lie sounds no one can explain, creatures that defy biology, and signals that vanish before anyone can study them. Some questions are too unsettling for the public. Here are 10 horrifying ocean mysteries scientists are actively covering up. Number 1. The bloop. In 1997, hydrophones thousands of miles apart picked up an ultra-low frequency sound so powerful it dwarfed any known animal. Scientists called it the bloop. Officially, it was later attributed to an icequake, but the original recording sounded organic, rising and falling like a living thing. Many still believe something enormous and unidentified made that noise in the deep. Number 2. The upsweep signal. Since 1991, an eerie repeating sound called the upsweep radiates from a point between New Zealand and South America. Each upsweep lasts only seconds. Strangely, the activity peaks every spring and autumn, yet decades later scientists still cannot fully explain its source. Something out there is keeping a schedule no one understands, broadcasting from the empty middle of the Pacific. Number 3. Biologically immortal jellyfish. The Turritopsis dowenii can reverse its own aging through a process called transdifferentiation, reverting its cells back to an earlier stage and starting life over again. In theory, this jellyfish never has to die. Researchers studying its cellular secrets stay strangely quiet about what unlocking true immortality could mean. A creature that cheats death is drifting silently through every ocean on Earth. Number 4. The Mariana Trench unknowns. The deepest point on Earth plunges nearly 7 miles down, a crushing world of darkness and pressure that would flatten a human instantly. Fewer people have reached its bottom than have walked on the moon. Down there, scientists keep finding life that shouldn't exist, and creatures so alien they refuse to fully describe them in public reports. Number 5. The disappearing fish discoveries. Scientists admit they don't even know how many species of certain deep-sea fish exist. When rare specimens wash up, the incidents are quietly studied for DNA, then buried in journals few will ever read. Entire forms of life surface for moments before vanishing again. We are sharing the planet with creatures we have never properly counted or understood. Number 6. The deep-sea mining warning. Scientists recently issued a chilling warning after a disturbing deep-sea discovery. Mining the ocean floor is awakening ecosystems untouched for millions of years, releasing unknown microbes and disturbing creatures evolution forgot. The full findings remain restricted. What they uncovered down there was alarming enough that researchers urged the world to stop digging before something is released that we cannot control. Number 7. The giant eyeball. A massive, perfectly preserved eyeball once washed ashore, larger than a softball with no body attached. Experts scrambled to identify it, offering vague guesses about swordfish or squid. But the sheer size suggested something enormous lurking offshore. To this day, the creature it belonged to was never found, and the public explanation never quite added up. Number 8. The unmapped ocean floor. We have better maps of Mars and the moon than of our own seabed. Over 80% of the ocean floor has never been mapped in detail. Hidden beneath the waves are mountains, trenches, and structures larger than anything on land. Whatever exists down there in the dark remains, for now, completely unknown to humanity. Number 9. The strangest creatures of the deep. Below the surface lies a world accounting for over 95% of Earth's living space, and it teems with nightmares. Anglerfish with glowing lures, transparent predators, creatures with mouths that unhinge to swallow prey twice their size. Scientists rarely show the public the most disturbing specimens because some of what lives down there looks engineered for a horror film. Number 10. The mysteries they refuse to solve. Decades of recordings, sightings, and anomalies remain officially unexplained. Vox, the BBC, and major researchers admit there are ocean mysteries no one has solved. But the most unsettling truth is how little funding and attention these questions receive. It's almost as if the deep ocean is one place humanity has quietly agreed to stop looking too closely. The ocean keeps its secrets well. For every mystery we glimpse, 1,000 more stay hidden in the crushing dark. Maybe some answers are better left undiscovered. But the silence from those who know the most is the most chilling part of all. If this kept you on the edge, subscribe for more